Imagine a pet that never makes a mess but always listens. Today, we're building voice activator.
Says Ned. You do not need expensive gear. Just a simple robot toy like Lego Spike, Sphero, or even a cardboard DIY.
Every pet learns with training. Ours does too. Open Teachable machine and choose a sound project. Record yourself. Now let's link our trained AI to a robot. In Scratch, add the Teachable machine extension, paste your model's link. Robots don't just move, they can have personalities. Add stickers, sounds, or blinking lights. Give it a name, dress it up, and make it. Want more? Teach it to recognize your claps, whistles, or even music. Your robot pet can dance, sing. This isn't just play. It builds logic, problem solving, creativity, and confidence. Kids learn that.
Meet the pets of the future. Voice-activated robots.
Meow! Kids love pets, and kids love robots. So why not mix the two? With AI, we can create talking.
Toddler clapping as robot blinks lights. Voice control brings play to life. Title screen, Talking Pets. Today we're building pets that obey commands. Kids hugging toy robots. Kids love pets and robots. Why not mix the two? Robot wagging paper tail. I makes them playful companions.
Parent smiling as child commands robot. It's fun and educational. Table with Lego laptop stickers. All you need is a kit, a laptop, and imagination. Hero rolling on floor. Any simple robot toy will work. Close-up of colorful craft supplies. Add decorations to give it personality.
Child holding a plain bin bot. Even cardboard robots can become pets.
Laptop screen. Teachable machine open. Step 1, open Teachable machine.
Child says sit into mic. Record voice commands like sit.
Child says spin smiling. Add spin and come here for fun moves. Screen shows audio samples filling up. Repeat so the AI learns your voice. Click Train Model. Now we train our pet's brain. Preview window lights up. Test your commands. Did it work?
Child cheers as model recognizes sit. Yes, the robot understands.
Parent claps proudly. That's the magic of AI learning. Scratch coding screen. Next, connect the AI to Scratch. Paste model link into block. Just copy and paste your trained model. Add command blocks. Hit command equals spin. Now build the pet's model. Robot skills after spin. See, it obeys instructions.
Child says come here robot roll. Now it follows you like a puppy.
Robot stops after sit. Say sit and it listens.
Click giggle and clap. Every command is a game.
Robot brings lights after good goals. Add rewards to make it fun. Kids add eyes and ear stickers. Decorate your robot pet. Give it a name and style. noises for personality.
Child pets robot proudly. Now it feels like a real friend.
Robot reacts to clapping. Train it to respond to clapping. Robot dances to music beat. Or make it dance to music.
Robot blinks when kid smiles. Even emotions can trigger actions.
Robot reacts to whistle. Imagination is the only limit.
Toddler focused while coding. This builds focus and problem solving. Parent helping child tweak blocks. Kids learn coding through play. Robot and child play together. AI becomes a tool, not a mystery.
Close the screen to subscribe. Subscribe for more playful STEM fun.